Hey everyone, Manny here from Unreal Custom Designs, and today we're customizing 16-ounce frosted Libbey cups with Halloween-themed UV DTF wraps. These wraps are 9.8 inches by 4.3 inches, perfect for wrapping around the entire cup. Whether you're making these for a party, a small business, or personal use, these spooky designs will be a hit. Now let's dive in. First, we're going to work with 9.8 by 4.3 inch UV DTF wraps. These dimensions ensure that the wrap goes smoothly around the entire cup, giving you a full design with no gaps. Measure your cup just to make sure the fit is perfect, then trim the edges of your wrap if needed. Now, it's time to apply the wrap. Peel off the backing and line up the design with the cup. Make sure to press down firmly as you wrap it around so it fits snugly. Use a squeegee or credit card to smooth out any bubbles and make sure the wrap adheres evenly to the entire surface. Once the wrap is smooth and secure, it's time to peel off the top layer. Do this slowly to avoid lifting any parts of the design. If, for any reason, a part does happen to lift away, don't panic. Simply lay the film back down on that part and give it a bit of extra pressure as you smoothen it down. Now you have a vibrant, scratch-resistant, and waterproof Halloween cup that's ready for use. Check out these spooky cups, from ghosts to pumpkins and bats. You can make multiple designs quickly using these UV DTF wraps. These cups are perfect for Halloween parties, gifts, or even selling as custom items for your business. And that's how easy it is to customize frosted Libbey cups with Halloween-themed UV DTF wraps. Ready to try it yourself? Head over to unrealcustomdesigns.com or ilovedtf.com and use coupon code SPOOKYCUP15 for 15% off your next order. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your Halloween designs in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.